I need chili flake chicken. Alright. Nice. Oh, that shit hot, boy. Oh, sick, bro. You ended up, so you did get a PC. That's awesome, bro. Yo, that's dope. What you been playing? Woo! Burnt the fuck out of my fingers on that, but that's okay. Alright. Okay, Rogue, hell yeah. Yeah, I know you were playing that GTA for a while.
It only takes 1 cup of coffee.
Alright.
1 glass of wine. 1 sip of soda.
I kind of want to add...
Let's
add the mushrooms.
With Crest 3D White toothpaste, it only takes 1 brush to start whitening. Remove up to 90% of surface stains. Crest 3D White. Lock in your whitest smile.
Dare to live life as a GBGillionaire. Meet GBGillionaire Terry. While streaming his favorite horror movies has him constantly on edge, his internet bill won't give him a scare. Because with AT&T Fiber with hyper-gig speeds, GBGillionaires like Terry can enjoy the tranquil lifestyle of not
green
going
onion
accounts,
kind of
equipment fees,
sliced
or
up.
even a price increase of 12 months. Live like a GBGillionaire. Get straightforward pricing with AT&T Fiber. Internet that upgrades everything.
Limited availability in select areas. Visit att.com/hypergig.
Damn, what you cooking, bro? GBGillionaire, you heard that, Teddy? What you cooking, Majay? Teddy, here's what it comes down to right here, baby. These eggs, baby. These eggs, Tyrone. Should I cut them? I'm gonna cut them in half. Oh, Teddy! Teddy! We're fucking